Ideology, Mechanics, Rules and Benefits of MMM by Ume Ifani Samuel. MMM Nigeria. What is MMM? MMM means Mavroidi Mondai Movement. MMM is a community where people help each other. The purpose of MMM is to create a fair financial relation between people. MMM gives you a technical platform which helps people participate worldwide to provide help to those who need help and vice versa. MMM is not a bank, does not collect your money, not an online business, hype, investment, or MLM program. How does it work? It simply operates with the mechanism of providing help, getting help, and reproviding help. It works if the incoming cash flow is equal or higher than the outward flow. And then it also works if people avoid panics. Ideology of MMM. The goal here is to destroy the world unjust financial system, to bridge the gap between the rich and the poor, to make people enjoy what they do, and not because they are forced to do what they don't want to create a fair and honest system where no one will be a slave or owner, and where good will defeat evil, to motivate people to provide help to each other because there is no law that says do not help one another. MMM gives one confidence and feeling of partnership that you are not alone. Rules of MMM. The aim of these rules is to protect MMM community because it is based on honesty, trust, and understanding between participants. All these rules are centered on making the system healthy and functional. They include: do not share your email or bank details with other members. Penalty: you'll be banned from getting help until you give identity proof. Do not edit your bank details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. Penalty: your get help will be delayed. Do not click on I refuse to make payment button more than once. Penalty: you'll be blocked. Do not have multiple accounts. You can always pledge as many times as you want with one MMM account. Penalty: all accounts will be permanently blocked and you'll be banned. Do not fail to confirm payment made to you by another participant. Penalty: you'll be blocked. Do not forget to write letter of happiness after every get help. Maximum days to write letter of happiness, it's 3 days. Penalty: you'll be blocked. Do not allow your family member pledge higher than you. If they want to provide amount higher than the one you provided, they should do that through your personal office or register through your guidance link or register with no referral link. Penalty: you'll be blocked. Grow your money 30% per month. Benefits: 30% marvel growth. Your money grows by 30% after the period of 30 days from the day you requested to provide help. Referral bonus: you will get 10% referral bonus from all deposits of the participants you invited. Inviting new members to the community is your additional contribution to its development. Registration bonus: after having registered and making the first donation, the participant receives a bonus in the ranges of $50 to $499. You get a registration bonus of $20. $500 to $2,999. You get a registration bonus of $50. $3,000 and above, you get a registration bonus of $100. Guidance bonus: guidance of MMM community can create their own multi-level structure and get a bonus from each participant in their structures. This is a multi-level bonus. It includes guidance downline. First guidance downline, you get 5% bonus. Second guidance downline, you get 3% bonus. Third guidance downline, you get 1% bonus. Fourth guidance downline, you get 0.5% bonus. Fifth guidance downline, you get 0.3% bonus. Bonus for testimonial video: participants also enjoy bonuses of the video of happiness in the ranges of 10%, 5%, and 1%. You get 10% if you do a super quality video. It should be professional and quality looking recording and editing. 5% when you show your face and your voice is heard clearly. 1% where you don't show your face but need to demonstrate personal office page or bank statement as a proof of getting help. programs, MMM recruits members of the community system into Guided School, where they are being equipped with the detailed information of MMM and how to build and carry their structure along, impacting on every member under them the understanding and knowledge of what the community is all about. MMM also organizes seminars and trainings for members through different routes, such as educative seminar presentations on YouTube, different locations, and on social networks. MMM has crowned it all by giving back to the same society that benefits from it. An example is orphanage home visitation. Benefits in Nigeria: growth in acquisition of goods and services, increase the intellectual knowledge of people about wealth creation, providing charity. It has been able to engage the minds of young and unemployed and has given them the courage to withstand this harsh period of recession. For Nigerian students of tertiary institutions, MMM has been able to provide them with money for their upkeep, thereby helping them to have a better college life. It has helped to reduce the rate of crime among unemployed youths, and it has also helped to improve the standard of living of its members. To start your revolution, MMM, helping other people's